Hi, in this video we'll take a look at how you can replace the gas strut on any car. Now the first thing is to make sure that you have someone holding up the door. If not, you can use an object to hold up. Now here is the faulty gas strut. So here you can see we need to take out this metal clip that is holding down the bowl right there. So I'm just using a flat screwdriver to pry it out. Now I have left this one on to show you how difficult it is to take it out. If you have two hands, it will be a lot easier. So you can see here, you just have to pry it out. Once the clips come out, you should be able to move the gas strut away from the door. So here I will try to pull it out. So if you got two screwdrivers, it will be a lot easier. So once we got in, we just have to pull it out like that, as you can see. So there it is. And then just with your hand you can pull it out using your finger and just simply pull it out all the way. Now on your replacement part, you probably have that clip already. So with this gas strut, you can see the oil has leaked out from the faulty seal. So here you just drag it out, so pull it out, and that's it. That just comes right off. And then here we're just going to take out the two bolt that is bolt down against the car. So there it is, that's the two bolts. We're just taking it out. So now that the old one come out, we put in the new one. If you can, you can also find a second-hand gas strut. Here I find a second-hand and I use the second-hand one. If you want, you can buy a brand new one. It just costs a little bit more. And then we just put the two bolts back in place. Make sure it is nice and tight, and here we just push the gas strut back into that hole right there. So I'm just using a plier to hold this clip down. It's not easy because it's very tight, so you need to use one hand with using the plier and hold down, and the other hand push it in, and that's the clip there going right in. That will hold the gas strut in place. Now once you replace on one side, you can go and replace on the other side. It is recommended that you replace on both sides. So this one here is faulty as well, as you can see. The oil has coming out. So that's it. So replacing on both sides will allow the gas strut to hold the door upwards. So we'll give it a test now. So I'm just going to push it down and then I'll pull it up. And there it is, as you can see, it's holding the door up and it's lifting the door up slowly. So here are the faulty gas struts. So you can see the seal inside is broken and it's leaking out the oil lubricant and causing the gas strut not to be able to hold. So all the gas come out when you put the doors up. So this gas strut is very cheap. You probably can get them for around $50 to $80 depending on the model of your car and depending on where you get them. So they're fairly cheap to get. And that's it. I hope this video has helped you out. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.